Hey there! Today we're diving into the world of Node.js. So what exactly is it? In simple terms, Node.js is a JavaScript runtime built on Chrome's V8 engine. It's like a superhero, but instead of fighting crime, it helps you write server-side applications. Now, why should you care about Node.js? Imagine you have a busy restaurant. Node.js is like a well-coordinated waiter, serving dishes quickly and efficiently without making the chef wait. It's great for handling multiple connections simultaneously, which is perfect for building fast and scalable network applications. All right, enough chit-chat. Let's get our hands dirty and build a simple HTTP server. First, make sure Node.js is installed on your machine. Go to nodejs.org and grab the latest version. Got it? Awesome. Now, open your favorite code editor and create a new file called server.js. Ready? Let's write some code. Write this code in server.js. Const HTTP equals require HTTP. Const port equals 3000. Const server equals http.createServer. Res equals res.statuscode 200. Res.setHeader content type text plain. Res.end server.listen port equals server running at http localhost.port. This is basic but powerful. You require the